Most people who value self-custody and privacy in crypto have most probably heard of or used an instance swap provider like ChangeNow, FixFloat, StealthyX. After doing some research, they find out that there's hundreds of these providers, each with their own rates and each in their own jurisdiction with varying KYC policies. What we do at Cyphergoat is we provide a single interface that makes it easier to interact with the most reliable exchanges. We have handpicked the best and most reliable providers. You can sort each in-house provider by their rate or by their KYC ranking. I will now be doing a quick demo of the platform. Okay, so over at the Cyphergoat website, we need to select the coin that we want to be sending. So in our case, that will be Bitcoin, and we want to receive Monero. So I'll enter an amount as an example for 0.1 Bitcoin to Monero. It will now start searching for the rates on all of our partnered exchanges. And here, if sorting by rate, we will get the best rate first. So in our case, that is FixFloat, coming at 39.8 Monero. And after that is QuickX, which has a KYC level of 1, and FixFloat with a KYC level of 2. We can also click on sort by KYC, which will sort by each exchange's KYC grade. So I want to shortly explain how the KYC ratings work. So a KYC grade of 0 means that there is no risk for regular users. The exchange may ask for KYC in extremely rare cases where the funds are connected with stolen funds or sanctioned entities. For a KYC grade of 1, like for example here, QuickX, there is some risk of KYC. However, do keep in mind that for both KYC 1 and 0, the exchange will most probably be happy to refund you if you fail to complete KYC. And a KYC grade of 2 means that there is a slightly higher risk of KYC. However, less than 0.1% of our trades ever require KYC. So now I'll be selecting to swap with Swapos since they've got a decent rate and a low KYC rating. I need to enter a Monero address, so I'll enter one here, and after that I'll click on Create Trade. Okay, so now I'm taken to the trade screen. Here we can see all of the information regarding our trade. We can see the status. We can see how much we send, how much we receive, the send address. We can get a QR code for that, and a link to the exchange. And because we do not want you to trust, but we want you to verify, you can click on the exchange link, and this will take you to the exchange so you can see that everything is exactly the same as here. Okay, so why should you use Cyphergoat? We have a couple more exchanges than our competitors. Our web UI is completely open source and licensed under AGPL. And we are also available via Tor and I2P. And if you head over to node.js.cyphergoat.com, you can access our completely JavaScript-free web UI. That is about it. Swap your crypto at the best rate on the market, cyphergoat.com.